So in the previous lecture we have seen how to add links to our blog page, but in that section we are linking and host pages. Like the Coding Ninjas website was there, and that blog page is the host page, right? Now what we want is that we want to link the pages which we and all the pages are present in our system only. So how to link those pages we will see. And here is a one type of assignment is there for what we have to do. So see what we have to do is that first we have, let's suppose we have the folder name basics HTML folder. This is the folder basics HTML, and inside that folder we can have pages like files, and inside folder also we can have folder. So suppose inside this we have one file named general web home HTML. Suppose the file name is, one file is there whose name is general web home HTML .html, and inside this one folder is there, one more folder is there named general page. Folder name is, this is file, and one more folder which is name is, this is folder general page, which consists of general page. There is one folder, this is folder. One more folder is there which consists of web page, so its name is web page. This is folder and its name is web page. Inside this folder, inside this folder we have file named 5tips.html, 5tips.html, and inside this folder we have file named best coding practice. Inside this, suppose inside the general page, suppose the file is best coding practice.html, best coding practice.html, and inside this we have page, we have file 5tips.html. So these are the files. Now what we want is, now talking about the pages, how it is seen. In the home page we have the right to select whether we have to go to the general page or we want to go to the web page. So there are two options here, general page, this is general page, and this is web page. So these are the links, these are the two links, these are the two links. So what we want is that if we click on general page link, then we should land on this file, and when we click on web page link, we should land on this file. And if we are currently in this bestcodingpractice.html file, this file will consist of now this file. What is the structure of this file will be bestcodingpractice.html structure is how it is going to be. Suppose this is the page, right? Here we will have the home button, which will take us to this page, where we can select whether we have to go to general page or web page. And inside that bestcodingpractice.html file, we can have the components like the heading, paragraphs and all. What we want is the linking. Linking is the most important here. And 5tips.html will look like, we will have here also home button, which on clicking we should land on. Here it is home button, which on clicking land on this page, right? So that we can select again whether we have to go to general page or home page. Okay, and so we are going to code here. First we will go to the general, where we have to create one file in the HTML. So let's go to code. First we have to create one file of the name generalwebhome.html inside the folder basics HTML, which we have seen in the OneNote section. Inside the basic HTML folder, we are creating generalwebhome.html. Now what are the things we want inside? Inside this we want the home button, which on clicking there it lands on, which it consists of two things. One is the general and second is the web, which page we want general or we want web. So here the title is home, it is the home page, and inside the body part we write select web or general, because in home page we are selecting whether we have to go to web page or we have to go to the general page. So I am assuming this 5 tips for front-end web development as the web page, and the best coding practice for hassle-free programming as the general page. And now we are currently on the home page, right? So we have to create one folder also inside the basics HTML. So inside the basics HTML we have created one folder named web page, and one more folder is there which is general page, and inside the general page we have created one file named bestcodingpractices.html, and inside the web page we have created one file named 5tips.html. right here you can see the cursor. Now come to the part of home page coding what we have done. So we are creating a home page in which there is unordered list of general and web, which on clicking general we will land to the general page, and which on clicking web we will land on the web page. So unordered list is there of general and web for and then the list item is this general, and the link is there under the a tab. A tag is there, a tag inside this link, and we have to give the path. So how we are going to give the path? See what we have seen here. We are discussing how to give the path, right? See here, we are currently on the general page. Here we are, right? Here we are, and we want to go to the bestcodingpractices.html, which is of general page. So how we are going to write? Currently we are in which folder? With basics.html. After that we have to go to general page, and in that we have the file named bestcodingpractices.html, which is of general page. And for web page, from basics we have to go to web page folder, and then web page to 5tips.html. So here see the code. Accordingly we have done that. Here see, for general page we have first gone to the folder named general page, and from that we have gone to the file named bestcodingpractices.html, right? And for the web page we have, how we have done this path is web page is the name of the folder and 5tips.html is the file, right? So this is how we have given the path to the pages. So this is the general web home.html file. Now we will go to the web page file and the general page file, which is of name bestcodingpractices.html and the 5tips.html. So let's go to bestcodingpractices.html. So in this page what we want, first of all there is a home page is there, home button is there, which on clicking home button we are redirected to the page named general web home.html, which we have created now. On that, what we do in general web home.html, what was there we can select whether we want to go to the web page or we want to go to the general page. So here in this we have to go backward, right? See, We are currently in general page, right? Best coding practices .html page. We are currently in this page, we are currently, right? And we want to go to, and we want to access the file named what? Access the file named general page, web page, home file. We want to access it. So first we have to go to the best coding practices.html is in the folder general page folder, and if we write general page, so first we have to go to the parent, one. First we have to go to the parent node, means basics.html, and inside that we have general web.html. So for going for to parent node, we use dot slash, what we have done here. See here what we have done here is that dot slash is there. So dot slash will go to the parent folder and search this file general web home.html. So it will be able to search, and so this is about the general page. Now we will go to the web page. So inside the web page, its name is 5tips.html, and in the similar way we are going to have this also. We have 5tips.html in the web page folder. We have 5tips.html. What we want is that go to the parent. We want to access this one, this folder, this file general. We want to access this file, right? We want to access this file using the 5tips.html, using the home button. So for linking, we have to first go to the parent node, and after going to parent node, we will search for this file general web home.html. So for going, we use dot. So see the code, we have used dot here. So we have used dot here. So it will go to the parent folder and search the web home general web home.html file there. So this is how we are linking the one page to the other link which are already in our system. So very much.